everyone, welcome back. I know it's been like super hot minutes since I have last uploaded something on my channel. I didn't really think that this was gonna be like something that I would do often, but it seems like a lot of people have interest in just the different videos that I've posted, which is really cool. I just wasn't expecting it. So anyways, I am back. I haven't really been posting a lot either because we right now we are training for a race, and my hair has been up in a bun basically every single day. Just being up in a bun all the time, it just like doesn't have the room to, you know, I don't know, just have like its natural curl pattern, I guess. I don't know. And so it's just been a little funky. But anyways, today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to show you guys how I do my flaxseed gel. And when I posted my my wash routine, I had a lot of people asking if I could show them how I do my flaxseed gel. And I know there are a few videos out there showing how to do it, but I do it a little differently. So I wanted to show you guys what I do. So yeah, if you want to see how I make my flaxseed gel, just keep watching. Thanks. Okay guys, there are all of the supplies that you're gonna need. I just have a little pan, some honey, some flax seeds, of course, some pantyhose. I cut off the bottom of a pair of pantyhose, a cup that is not going to melt, some tongs that are going to be able to slide over the pantyhose without it snagging the pantyhose. So these are just like a plastic pair right there. And then at the end, I always use some tea tree oil to, just once it's cooled, I put the tea tree oil in the gel. So I don't know, it just makes me feel like I'm putting good stuff in my hair. It might not even make a difference, but I've read that tea tree oil helps to stimulate hair growth, and it just always makes my hair super shiny. So yeah, I'm gonna put that in there too. So once it's to a boil, you're gonna see this lovely mucus trail. Isn't that such a lovely word, mucus? Anyways, yes, this is exactly what we want to see, and this is what it's supposed to look like. I just poured the gel out, and this is what it looks like. It's still pretty runny because it's very hot. You can still kind of see the steam coming up. So once it cools, it's going to be very thick and perfect consistency. So yeah, once it is cooled, then that's when I will put my oils in there that I want to. I put tea tree in there, and then I mean, a lot of people put lavender in there, and sometimes I do that too. So yeah, Usually my gel doesn't turn out this dark, so I mean, I know it looks pretty nasty. I'm not gonna lie, it does look nasty, but guys, this is like all natural, and with everything that I put in my hair, the shampoos, the creams and stuff, I don't know. I just love this as an alternative to buying more gel and putting more chemicals in my hair. So, and I know like curly girl method, yeah, the gel is better for your hair, but it's still, you know, fragrances and just, I mean, if you can go natural, then why not, you know? So yeah, I'll show you guys what this looks like once it's cooled.